Hi lovelies, I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to Anne's Delicious Kitchen. I am back again with another delicious Jamaican recipe. I will share with y'all how to make rice and peas, which is infused with coconut milk, aromatics, herbs, and spices. This recipe is similar to waakye from Ghana. Here I have the ingredients which I will use for this delicious recipe. I will list them in the description down below. Let's get started. I will start off by cooking my red kidney beans. As you can see, I did not pre-soak the beans in water, and so it will take longer to cook. In order for the beans to cook faster, pre-soak it in water overnight. I will add water in my pot to ensure it's above the beans. To the beans, I will add fresh thyme. You can also use dry thyme, garlic and ginger. These aromatics add lots of flavor to any recipe, so yes, this is a must. Allow the water to boil and then add the Scotch bonnet pepper, scallions, bay leaf, which is optional, diced onion, I will also add jerk seasoning, which will add extra flavor to this dish. Aroma stock powder, which is an all-purpose seasoning. So once everything is added, mix till it's well combined. Allow the beans to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes on medium heat. Don't overcook the beans, as it will be cooked further with the rice later on. So as you can see, I am checking on my beans. It's still kind of firm, so I will allow it to cook till it's tender. In the meantime, I will go ahead and remove the stems of the thyme. At this point, the beans is cooked just the way I like it. Now, if you didn't soak the beans in water, let it cook for about 30 minutes. Okay? I will now go ahead and add my canned coconut milk. You can also use coconut milk made from scratch. The use of this will give your recipe a creamy and lightly sweet flavor. It's time to add the washed rice. Mix well and add a bit of water and salt to taste. Although the making of waakye, rice and peas are similar, they do differ in taste. Waakye uses baking soda and sorghum leaves, while rice and peas uses herbs, aromatics, and Scotch bonnet pepper. So as you can see, the liquid is absorbed. Make sure to stir the rice every 5 minutes for even cooking of the rice, okay? Lower your heat at this point and let the steam cook the rice and beans for about 10 to 12 minutes. If you haven't tried Jamaican rice and peas, kindly do so. This recipe is great for family dinners. Look at that. How gorgeous. The rice and peas is nicely cooked. Food is ready and it's time to plate. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so for more delicious recipes made simple. Share this video with friends and family. Thank you and stay blessed.